The Sound of Silence, Rumba. We're a butterfly for 2 side draw closes, followed by a full rumba basic, fence lines, crab walks, spot turn. We got everybody? Alrighty, here we go. Oh, for those of you that were asking, Patty is doing fine. She just had to work today, so she's going to make it home in time to get here. But she says hi to everybody. Here we go. 2 side draw closes. It's a butterfly. Full rumba basic. Quick, slow. Fence line to line, crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. Reverse crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. 1 time step. Alemana. Back to butterfly. Full chase. End in butterfly. Half basic. Whip man face center. Fence line. Through to the serpiente. Step through. Side behind fan. Behind side through and fan. Fence line. Alemana. To the lariat. New Yorker, whip butterfly man face wall. Fence line, through to the serpiente. Fence line to butterfly. Half basic. New Yorker, modified chase, lungy turns. Ladies on their arm turn to butterfly, man's facing center. 2 cucarachas. Reverse side walks. Basic. New Yorker, modified chase, lungy turns, ladies underarm turn to butterfly, man face the wall. 2 cucarachas. Very good. To line, side walks. Full basic. Quick, slow. Fence line, to line, crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. Reverse crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. 1 time step. Alemana. Back to butterfly. Full chase. End in butterfly. Half basic. Whip man face center. Fence line. Through to the serpiente. Fence line. Alemana. To the lariat. New Yorker. Whip to butterfly man face wall. Fence line. Through to the serpiente. Fence line to butterfly. 2 side draw closes. Close it up. Dip twist with a leg crawl. You know how to end. Very nice, very nice. Alrighty, next one, this is King of the Road, a Phase 2 classic.